Starting off with some frozen wings. Now the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna actually take some baking powder and we are going to sprinkle about 2 tablespoons of baking powder right on top of these chicken wings. It's gonna make them nice and crispy. You have got to try it. All right, so let's just quickly move and mix all of that together. Now grab yourself your favorite barbecue sauce. This is definitely Baby Ray's, is one of mine. I am going to quickly just squirt all of this barbecue sauce out. Now I have a 40-ounce container here. If you have the regular size, use the entire container of barbecue sauce. Ooh, this is turning out so good. I love the smell of this barbecue sauce. Now I have some teriyaki sauce here. I'm gonna start to dump right on top. Now I'm gonna pour about 5 ounces of teriyaki right on here. Perfect. A little bit of maple syrup. Oh, I know, right? This wing sauce is absolutely delicious, you guys. Wait until you see how these come out. Okay, we're using 1 cup of syrup here. Let's pour that right on top. Look at that. These are gonna be coated. Ooh, when these bake, they are going to be so tasty. All right, we are almost done, but we cannot forget the garlic powder. I'm just gonna toss some on there, just to your liking. I'd probably say about, a half a tablespoon there of garlic powder. And we are gonna come in with some onion powder and we will do the same thing with that. Just sprinkle that right on top. You guys, we have some sweet and savory flavors going on here. Let's mix these all together, really soaking and mixing all of the wings. Look at that. They are just gonna be so super, super tasty. Football season is here, you guys. This is something that you can easily just throw together, put it in the oven. We're gonna bake it. When it comes out, it's gonna be tasty and everyone loves these things. And plus, you know what? I wanna know who your favorite football team is. Who are you guys cheering for on football Sunday? Where are you from? Tell me, who's winning the Super Bowl? I wanna know all the things. Okay, look at that. Oh my goodness. Let me wash my hands really quick and I'm gonna be right back. There we have it, you guys. How easy was this wing marinade? We're gonna stick these in the oven. We're gonna bake them at 425. 425, that is very important. It's the best temperature for chicken wings. These could take about up to an hour. I'm gonna keep mixing them throughout. I'll let you know how it goes and stick around so you can see how great these turn out. Holy cow, these wings turned out perfectly. Look at that sauce and all of the way that, ooh, they're just glossy on the top. It looks like the perfect amount of crispiness. Okay, let me grab myself a plate here. I see, David, you're over there eyeballing me like, can't wait to get some of these chicken wings. I know that you're starving and they do smell so good. So I'm gonna let you come over here and give these a try and let me know what you think of them. All right, come over here and give these a try. Okay, here you go, Ben. I got you a couple little chicken wings here. They might be a little hot. How are they? Sauce is good?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome, you guys. I love this sauce. It's a hit. Bringing this to parties, throwing them together, letting them cook in the oven is so easy, you guys. Perfect for game day, perfect for get-togethers. Let me know if you would switch this up at all, but if you haven't gave this a try, give them a try. You're gonna love these.